is up, guys? Welcome back, man. It's been a while. I haven't recorded or posted a video in about a month, so it's good to be back. Hope you guys had a good holiday season with the family. Hopefully you got some time off of work, time off from school and everything. So I had the last 2 weeks off work and just went back today, so it was pretty difficult. You know, it can be hard to go back after a long vacation. So hope you guys have been well. I have some updates to share with you. I'm gonna hit the road, go to the gym, and I'll tell you all about them. So thanks for tuning in to another video after such a long break here. I appreciate you, and looking forward to getting back to some videos soon. Some more POV drives, some more updates with the M4. So let's get to it. All right, so first things first, man. Man, where do I even begin? Holy crap. So biggest thing is, like I said, took 2 weeks off from work. It's a really nice little stay-at-home vacation. Spent a lot of time with family, a lot of time with my fiance. Just, you know, made the most of it. Overall, just good to get away from work. Got some good Christmas goodies for the car. Talk about that in a second, but dude, so I went in for an oil change about 3 weeks ago. A little over 3 weeks ago, beginning of December. And bring it home, and I'm back into my garage, and all of a sudden, dude, I see this fat oil stain, this oil spill right in my garage, right under my oil pan, right under my drain hole. So that concerned me because I was driving the car the night before, went out, took my girl on a date, went to a movie. You know, it was nighttime, so I honestly didn't even see it at the time. Pulled in and out of the garage, like, you know, no problem, didn't even see it. And then saw it the next morning when we went to go look at a wedding venue. We're coming back and I pull it into the garage and I see this you know, huge oil spill on the rear view camera. So that sucked. I knew that the oil pan was going to fail at some point because I had a time cert in it. So for those of you that don't know, a time cert is just basically a rethreading of the drain hole. If you strip a drain hole after, you know, over torquing your bolt, there's a few ways you can fix it. One of them is a time cert. I'm not gonna get into it because I've talked about it so much in previous videos. Just look it up. It's not advisable in my opinion to do it, but hey, to each their own. The previous owner did it, so I was stuck with it. Anyways, I take it in to get the oil change. My guy's like, yo, it looks fine. It torqued fine this time. You know, I think we're in the clear. You should be good to go. A week later, this happens. So yeah, dude, kind of sucked because I took my car in and had to replace the whole oil pan. Now, I'm not going to go into details. Maybe in the next video I'll talk more about it, but the cost of it, you know, is expensive. Had to replace the whole pan. Went OEM because I'm like, pretty much have to. I don't even know if there's non-OEM options to choose from with an oil pan, but regardless, I didn't have time to look at all my options. I just wanted to get it fixed. So went with the new OEM oil pan. That parts and labor came out to about $2,400. So that's the total cost. But like I said, I'll go into another video. I can, you know, go into it in more detail in another video. Just sucks, dude. Starting out your Christmas season that way is not ideal. So, and then the week of Christmas, me and my fiance got sick. So And then after I started feeling better on Christmas Day. After Christmas Day, like that Friday, I just got super sick, and then I was out for the count for like a week and a half. So yeah, just really sucked. Took like 2 weeks to get my car done because of the holidays. Shipping of the oil pan took like a week to get here, and then my tech had some family emergencies. So it was just, dude, it's been such a wild end of the year. So I'm looking forward to 2026, you know. Other than that though, life's been good. Really not much more to update. I got some good new detailings goodies for the car. Some genuine OEM BMW leather cleaner and conditioner. I already put that on here, so the car is nice and clean, leather is conditioned. Got some, you know, stuff like a clay bar, ceramic coating, good stuff for the exterior. So I'm excited, dude. Excited for drier weather and warmer days. So like I said, we're heading to the gym, and I just know it's gonna be absolutely packed because it's the start of the new year, and it's just how it always is, you know, at the start of the new year. Everybody wants to start some new year, new me stuff, so gonna have to deal with the crowd, but that's okay. It should probably taper off in a couple weeks, so. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Other than that, work's been pretty good. My job has been stressful. My boss wants me to find a new job pretty much. So he's been kind of pushing me in that direction of hopefully a promotion. So we'll see. It's hard around this time of the year, trying to kickstart back into gear after taking so much time off and just relaxing so much. You kind of get those nerves built up. You know, you go back into the office and it's hard to get started. So if that's how you're feeling watching this, know that I'm right here with you. Know that you know, I think it's hard for everybody. So but it'll be easier next week. That's the silver lining. And then the week after that, it'll be easier than the week before that. So, yeah. So, that's all for me. Still kind of dealing with like a lingering snotty nose, stuff like that. It's kind of annoying, but we're getting better. So, hope you had a good Christmas. Hope you had a good break, good holiday season, and a good new year coming up. So, with that, I'm gonna leave you to it. I have no idea what I'm about to do in the gym. I'm just trying to get in there and start my workout. Probably hit the sauna for a little bit. So, yeah, man. With that being said, appreciate you for watching, man. Like I said, I took a little bit of a break, a little bit of a hiatus from recording videos, but we're back to it. And hopefully I can start getting them, get the daily vlog going again. So, yeah. That's all from me. Enjoy the rest of your day. I appreciate you for watching. Until next time, drive safe. Peace.